welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my craft room. So this is part 2 of this room. If you haven't seen the first one, you can go ahead and click here. You will see my gym corner, but for this video is the craft room side. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any more of my new videos. This table is my crafting table. This is from IKEA and this table is pretty amazing. It can go up or down. Just look. See? Woo! If I need to sit down, I can just bring it down or keep it the same. And if I need to stand up, just pull it all the way up. I also have this 3-tiered cart right next to it. I got it from IKEA too, but you literally can find them anywhere. I put this little wooden crate here with a pencil holder and some other stuff. I like having everything here, must-haves, all necessities is here. And I also have a Cricut maker, but I'm still trying to learn that. And as you can see here, I have my phone charger, and of course in the bag there's a whole bunch of cables that I'm hiding behind that. These shelves are amazing. These are from IKEA, and I think it's called Expedite or Calyx or something, but I have everything here. On this side specifically is anything that I need when I'm sitting on my desk, like scissors, staplers. What else I got? Oh, by the way, these scissors are so cool. I think I found it at Joann's or something, or Michael's, and it cuts paper like the way it's shown over there. And in the back, I have a whole bunch of glue, staples, and then these inserts are pretty cool. At first, I bought a brown one, but I was like, ugh, making my room look so dark, so I went back and got these white ones, which my husband agreed. It looks really nice. And then all my pops of colors, like those pens, can just pop. These are for Michael's, you guys. I can't find these exact ones now, but now they have like an updated one and it looks so cool. And I feel like I want to add on to these. And I store a whole bunch of paper, like colored construction paper that I cut into things to make random stuff for the season, Thanksgiving, but I have a whole bunch of that. The top one is brown, the middle one is white, and then I think the bottom one has colors. And then on this one, I have a whole bunch of stickers, like little alphabet stickers when I make cards or scrapbooking. Everything is here and easy to reach. I really like it. So cool. And I shop at Hobby Lobby a lot too. Having my table in the middle of those shelves makes it really easy for me to reach to whatever I need, like my scrapbooks over there that I put in the basket as you saw, and I can just swivel there, get something, swivel back, start working. And then, you know, when you scrapbook or do any type of crafts or projects, you're gonna forget something or you're gonna need more of something, so having it set up this way is pretty awesome. I put the baskets on the bottom so I can see what's inside when I open it. By the way, I buy all my stickers at Hobby Lobby, you guys, discounts. And these pen holders are from Michael's. You know, take advantage of those discounts. I really like storing all my pens, highlighters, markers, everything here. And I have those boxes that I found from Ross. I store pictures in here that I have not scrapbooked yet. And then when I need a beverage, don't need to go back in my house. I can just stay here, get my hot cup, or you know what, my Ray-Dun mug, because you know, big. Mwah. I talked more about this beverage area in my first video, so go ahead and check that out. Moving on to the lounge area, this is where I do all my planning. I have my planners here, my sticker books, and my washi tapes, and I even have my felt letter boards here too, which I'll show you in a bit. So I like to just take what I need and then kind of sit down and make myself feel comfortable, even though right now that doesn't look that comfortable, but trust me, it's very comfortable. I think what this area needs is like those bedside tables where the legs go underneath the bed or the chair or the couch, I mean, and then the tabletop goes on top of your table or your couch. We have it in the living room, but I should have one here or just move it from there to here. But yeah, I just like this area for my planning. It's very peaceful, it's comfortable, and I take a little me time here doing all those planning. As you can see in the shelves, there's a lot of empty parts. I'm planning as soon as the world opens again, then I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby and find some really cute decorations that I can put in those. These washi tapes organizer is the best. I use it for washi tapes, but I also use it for those rolling stickers from Happy Planner. But yeah, I color code it sometimes, or I don't know, theme code it, I guess. But yeah, this is what it looks like here. Isn't that cool? So everything is organized, and as you pull them out, you can see everything. And on this side is a whole bunch of stuff that I don't know about. But let's talk about these felt letterboards. This is where I store all of it. And I do a lot of this is actually my daughter did that. But for every occasions, event or something, I use felt letterboards. They're awesome. You can find them at feltletterboards.com or actually feltlikesharing.com, but on Instagram they are felt letter boards. That is the IG handle. Get at them. But I think for this one, since we are still spring going into summer, I'm gonna pick like a baby pink and find something cute on my phone. These pegboards are pretty nice. I use it to store my wrapping papers and the ribbons. On the top of my wrapping station, I have extra stuff there that I can't really put on the pegboard, but I have a lot of wrapping stuff for Christmas and extra ribbons and just extra fabric and Valentine's cards for the kids' schools, you know. Also, this craft room is where I, hide the kids' presents so they can't find it. I'm surprised they haven't figured it out yet. I mean, all the wrapping stuff is here. But I also have this right here underneath that counter. And this drawer is filled of gift bags, wrapping papers, and more gift bags on the bottom. Which the bottom one is mostly Christmas stuff, but I have like all occasions too in there. And finally, this part is where I store all my bags. Jujube bags. My family loves to go camping and just have road trips, so I have duffel bags there and all kinds of bags that we need for everything. On the other side, I actually have a lot of like shipping stuff. I don't know. I don't know if I like it here, but yeah, that's where it is for now. Box tape, a bubble wrap, a packaging stuff, it's all there. Alright guys, that is it for the tour of this room. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you were here looking for some ideas, I hope that you guys found at least a few. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!